Recently, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is in news because Government of India has initiated that the universal coverage of people aged over 70 years will be covered under this scheme for 5 lakh rupees insurance cover per family. Let us see it quickly. There will be a health insurance scheme of rupees 5 lakh per family, not per individual. It is all about per family. If there are two old age people above 70 year of age, they will be sharing rupees 5 lakh. Above 70 year of will be beneficiaries above 70 year of age, rupees 5 lakh for each family. Already registered and who is turning more than 70 in the recent have to re-register to receive a top-up cover of rupees 5 lakhs. 6 crore individual has been covered in a total 4.5 crore families already covered under only government scheme, like ex-servicemen, central scheme, etc. have to choose either one or ABPMJ or any government schemes. Private insurance person who have taken the private insurance can avail both at a time because government have nothing to pay in this private insurance companies. 40% of state government has to be there, like some of the state has not opted out to be with the this central government central sector scheme like Delhi, West Bengal, Odisha, but Odisha is in talk with the government to implement this scheme. What data says about it? According to 2011 census, 8%, 8.6% only people above the age of 70, 60 are registered under any insurance, and by 2050 it will be turning to 19.5% coverage. And total expenditure of PMJ Yojana is being contribution by taken by the old age people, that is 12 to 14% of total money goes in the favor of old age people. Indian Aging Report though 2023 says that above 60 only 20% covered under insurance of any types of insurance. Niti Aayog report says that about the women that 58% of elderly women are beneficiaries of PMJ scheme, Ayushman Bharat PMJ scheme. Out of this 58%, 48% widows are there who is having lack of health care in their, especially in the rural area, now will be benefited with the same scheme, which is covering of above age 70% and making it universal because it takes all the people along with. How to register? Either go to the Ayushman center or download Ayushman app, registered, verify through eKYC, and it will show authorization enabled, and you can enjoy the scheme Ayushman Bharat PM Jan Arogya Yojana.